Dzień dobry, good afternoon everyone. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So that was a tram ride from the Rynek Jeziecki to Zamek. So today I'll take you to explore the Święty Marcin Street. If you're familiar already with this building behind me, the Philharmonia Poznanska. But today I will take you to the one place that it's just like a time machine that bring you back to the history. Exploring and learning about history. This is what I like about Poznan. So let's go. Wow, look at this tram. Cool. Most famous intersection, the Adam Mickiewicz University here around this area, and this one is the Zamek that we were before, and this one is the Philharmonia Poznanska. And yeah, today we will go somewhere where we can learn the history. So yeah, we were in the tram number 2 before. It was from the Rynek Jeziecki. If you remember about this Zamek, we don't go to this Zamek, but today we will go to this place, Enigma. Look at this code building. Let's go. Pay the ticket for about 28 zloty. So the exhibition at the first floor. Let's go. So we are here. Super cool. Look at this machine. Wow, fancy. Oh, the exhibition is there. Let's go. Oh, super cool. Wow, this one. So I've got the audio link well, and this one is the prologue. Wow. Look at this room. It's like a time machine, isn't it? Like take you back to the old time. So cool. So this is basically the media library if you wanna study further, and just look like this. Amazing. What a very interesting and very high recommended Bardzo Polecam. Whenever you come to Poznan, you definitely has to come here in the Enigma Museum. So here you can learn so many things about the code, how during the World War II, people communicate to the Enigma code, and you learn so many things about communication, basically. And then in 2 hours, I was there about 2 hours and more, I think, because there also there are some games, and also if you like games and puzzle, this is the best time. This is the best place, you know. So learning at the same time you play. So what I can say that it's very modern and artistic in terms of how they deliver the message and how they teach you about the history is Bardzo Polecam. So now I think I need to go somewhere. I'm already hungry. Maybe we will have a coffee or something to eat. Let's go. So basically I paid 28 zloty and they give you headset and you know the audio guide, and it's very best to learn history and everything is just very well explained. So they also provide many languages. So at that time I choose the English, and yeah. So if you don't speak English, you speak German, Dutch or any other language, they provide you with the audio lingual guide. So now it's time to go to somewhere to have a coffee. But it is actually located next to the Adam Mickiewicz University, and then you just go straight there. So it's just like a time machine, a museum that I can say. Basically that was the museum where we were, Enigma Museum, and then you just walk straight here few meters and this is the place. Very nice. And then look at this building on the top, pink building. It's very insta-worthy, and the name is Ptasia Radio. Very nice. And they also have the seating outside like this. So this is the cafe basically. I really like the decoration, and look at this wall. Nice. So basically this one is the place. It's very beautiful, decorated, nice cafe so far. Amazing. Drive in one coffee shop. It's busy basically, and it's very nice decoration. Look at the top and look at the seating. And then this one is the name of the restaurant, Ptasia Radio. And I will buy a coffee and cake. There are so many nice menu basically here. So yeah, let's see how it is later on. Ooh la la, look at this huge chocolate cake. Wow, this one 19 zloty and 12 zloty all cost me about 31 zloty. Oh, bardzo polecam. Look at the seating. It's so artistic, like old building, but they really make it like so insta-worthy. Look at this rose on the top, and look at this seating, flowers. I really like every detail of this one. Amazing. Well, actually that there are so many nice, amazing, like you know, coffee places like this in Poznan, Poland, and the price is that very affordable. Look at this, my coffee and cake. So nice, huge portion. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.